on dyeing Easter eggs with your little one this holiday? Well, I just got a great tip from a client on these. These are plastic Easter eggs. They're only $2.24 at Walmart. And I have to tell you, I cannot wait to try them. It comes with 12 eggs. It comes with 4 different color dye packets, and it comes with little bags to be able to put the egg and the dye into. So no need to use the cups, no need to use the vinegar. It's all in one, and let's try it out. So my verdict is definitely a yes. This was such an easy way to do egg dyeing. There was no muss with having to boil eggs and then worry about the smell with vinegar or dipping them in the cups and then trying to take them out with those egg holders. You didn't have any of that. And look at how cute they came out. So I definitely would say this is a great way to introduce egg dyeing with young children at a fraction of the cost that you're going to spend on real eggs. It's also great if your child has an egg allergy and you don't want to have to worry about any kind of cross-contamination or accidental exposure to their allergy. So go have fun and dye some eggs with these plastic eggs. Like I said, I got them at Walmart.